Hello guys, this is Dimitris Karipidis and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how I will create a big room drop out of my big room EDM Pluck Melody. Let's hear the Pluck Melody. Okay, this is the melody. Now I want to create another layer, place it in my drop. I will mute the Pluck for now. So I will just place a side chain in the Pluck to see how it sounds in the drop. Perhaps it will be sounding awful, but we will try to adjust it. Okay, I'm trying to find a good preset to work with. For me, I think it's too high. Okay, let's keep that. I think it's too complicated for the notes. Let's hear it again. Let's hear with the build-up. Okay, I think I will leave it there for now. Let's see what else we can do in the second 4 bars. I really like this ending. So let's keep the last bar and try to make some changes here. Yes, I really like it. Let's hear with the build-up. I really think we have a lot of reverb here, but let's listen again. Okay, if I wanted to take it a step further, I would just layer it with another sound. I want to give them some air. I want to boost them a little bit on the high end. I will usually boost in the 5K area. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial.